Assalamu friends, in this video I'm going to talk about the recent price hike for the Steam Deck OLED, which is very disappointing unfortunately, and I do not think that the Steam Deck OLED is worth it in this price. If you look at the 512GB version, it is now at $789, while the 1TB version is $949, guys. This is reaching to the level of Xbox ROG X when it was announced. I think it was $1,000, but now of course it is doubled in price as well. So my advice to you guys is just look for a used handheld on Facebook Marketplace. For example, I got this Xbox ROG X for $749 with complete accessories and a cover case, and there was also a screen protector installed, which is in my opinion a really good deal if you are looking for used handheld on Facebook Marketplace. And you can also get the ROG X, the previous model with Z1 Extreme. That is also better compared to the Steam Deck OLED, because honestly guys, now the Steam Deck OLED is showing its age, and if you want to play latest AAA games, you need to get the Z2E Extreme model or Z1 Extreme model. Don't get me wrong, I really like the Steam Deck OLED, but at this price and it's not worth it honestly guys. So I know I'm gonna get some dislikes on this video, but I'm telling you from my honest opinion. I also cannot recommend you to buy Xbox ROG X new because it's very expensive, and if you look at Lenovo Legion Go 2, that is around $2,000, which I also cannot recommend. You can get 1xFly Apex with the Ryzen AI 9 395HX, which is really good, and it is almost double the performance of Z2 Extreme model. So guys, if you are getting a really good deal on used handheld, just get that one and enjoy. And if you own any of the handhelds like ROG X, Lenovo Legion Go, or the Steam Deck OLED, just keep it and enjoy it guys, honestly, because it's not worth it. The new prices for these handhelds are insane in my opinion and not worth it. So guys, if you agree with me, let me know in the comments down below, and click on the like button, subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching this video guys. I will see you guys in the next one. Allah Hafiz.